Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to disable heavy ads in Google Chrome for faster browsing. Heavy ads consume a lot of CPU, memory and internet data, which can slow down your browsing and affect performance. Thankfully, Chrome has a built-in setting to block such ads automatically. Let's see how to enable it. You need to first open Google Chrome browser on your computer. After that, click on the triple dot menu in the top right corner. After that, scroll down and click on Settings. Under Chrome Settings, select Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. On the right at the bottom, click on Site Settings. After that, scroll down to find Additional Content Settings. Click on this. After that, scroll down and click on Intrusive Ads. Now make sure you have selected Ads are blocked on sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads. That's it. You can now close and reopen Google Chrome browser. Chrome will now automatically block heavy ads, helping your browser run faster and smoother. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching.